Hey, sorry if this is going to be a little shaky, but I have a mini badge that draws a lot of current, especially on the clock circuit. Kind of give you an idea of how it affects the old to my new design of my circuit. So on the old board, I plug it in. It's a blue line up above until it stays high a lot longer than it goes low. It gets a little stubby, pull it out, it gets back pretty good. New board until that it's a little bit more uniform. If you do the same thing, it does get a little bit smaller, but the clock still remains the same. It doesn't really change it too much. It keeps it in the same aspects. Really kind of interesting, cool little aspect of the new design with the push-pull MOSFETs. I really enjoy it. And then you can see even bigger if I put in the one and then add another clock circuit to it. It really extends that old circuit, really delayed. You can see that the doesn't blink as normally as fast. So if we pull those out, it gets back down to normal. Now let's load up the new design. Same thing, we'll do 2. It affects it a little bit, but it's much better, much more resilient to the load. I'm happy I was able to get this going. Look forward to using it in all my future boards. Thanks for watching.